Hey, welcome to our database development design week 6, our lab 5 instructions. Okay. Uh, Hopefully you watched the other video first. If not, I'll go over a little bit and point to which one to do the other video. But we'll be using the SQL Server. You guys have all told me you could get in using Citrix. In class, we uploaded the data ourselves. We can't do that out of class because of the Citrix. I can't push a file to it. So I'll put together a video later for that one, if you guys don't have to worry about it right now. But go to your database, and in the video, if you watched it, we were playing with the employee table. You're going to be working with the customer orders table for the lab. And you can see, if you click on it, you can see the columns and stuff. It's just so we can always remember the new query. Go into there, and we'll just go select star from cust orders. If you have cust order or something different, it's whatever's in your database. I may forget what I wrote it as. And remember, make sure you're using the correct database from the drop down here. Go ahead and execute. And here, let's see if we can look down some of this here. So you see you've got a couple columns here. You got order number, customer ID, price, payment, trans date, and department. So what we've got for you to do. Okay, so I've attached this to your email. If not, if you go and look in Canvas, it's under Lab 5. You'll see the other files to download. Don't you worry about downloading those because you can't upload anything to the SQL Server from Citrix, so don't sweat that. Again, you're going to work with the customer order table. Using that table, I want you to answer these questions, and they're pretty straightforward, like return all columns and records, table customer order, return only certain columns. And what you can turn in for me is you go ahead and you can just, like in the first one, I'll give you the answer. The first one for return all values is just this select all. One second, let me get you back to where we can see what's going on here. So this would actually be number 1, select all from customer. That would be your answer for number 1. So what you can do is you can just simply do this. Put 2 dashes so it comments out and put number 1. And then you can go down here, 2 dashes, put number 2. The 2 dashes comment stuff out, and then just put your next query in. All I want is the queries. I don't want to know the answers. I don't care about the data you're getting out. I just want you to send me the code, and then you're going to go up here, and let me get this so we can see it. You're going to go up here to File, and you're going to save whatever your query is as, because make sure it matches up to whatever tab. If you have more than one tab open, make sure you're looking at the right one. Just save it as, you can just save it as your last name, Lab 5, SQL, and then just save it as a SQL file and just load that up into Lab 5. Again, there's 10 questions. I believe number 9 and number number 9 and number 4 are the same, so you can just not worry about number 9. Get you back to what we're looking at. So when I send it, I'll just delete number 9 from here. But I say this will be attached in the email to everybody. If there's any questions, let me know. But you're going to want to watch. I'll have the link in this video. You're going to want to watch the other video first on the introduction to Select. It'll walk through. It'll kind of teach you how to do all this using the employee table. Then you're just going to try the exact same thing we did. Also, you can download the. 1 second. So so if you're here, the SQL Server instructions are here. So that's the Citrix you're going to go to. This is the name of the server you're going to get onto. That's up in week 1. So that's when you're looking at the modules, that's up in week 1. But if we scroll down here to week 6, where we got Lab 5, if you go in there, you'll see that's the lab document, permits. Don't need, like I say, don't worry about these. You don't need to download them for the class. And what else was I going to show you? 1 second. Oh yeah, the sequel lesson, the select lesson, the slide deck is right here, and that'll have all really kind of all the information you need to complete this lab. But like I say, I advise watch the video first and then go back and try the lab. And if you have any problems, let me know. Thank you very much.